Hey guys, welcome back. So back in the day, the web worked simply. You'd type a URL, the browser would request it from the server. The server would respond with the full page, HTML, ready to render. And the browser would render it all. And the browser was good at this. It was built for exactly this. The server would have dozens, maybe hundreds of other pages you could navigate to. So you'd click a link, the browser would request that new page. The server responds with more HTML, and the browser would render it with a full page reload. Every navigation followed the same rhythm: request, response, HTML, reload. It was simple and predictable, but it was also kind of wasteful. Every click meant tossing out the entire page, even the parts that hadn't changed. The header, the sidebar, the navigation bar, all gone, then rebuilt from scratch. The browser would clear everything and start over, like throwing away a perfectly good Lego castle just to rearrange a few bricks. Then spas arrived. You type a URL, the browser requests it. You get back HTML, but it's minimal, just a shell, an empty div with an ID. The real payload? JavaScript, a big bundle of it. That JavaScript loads and takes over. It renders the initial view, paints the page, and then handles everything. Now when you click a link, JavaScript intercepts it. No request to the server for a new page. When you navigate to a new part of the site, it updates the URL, makes an API request, fetches JSON data, not HTML, and re-renders just the part of the page that changed. There's no reload, state persists across navigation, the server just sends data. JavaScript handles the routing, the rendering, everything. But spas solved one problem and created a dozen others. Massive JavaScript bundles shipping entire frameworks to rebuild what browsers already do natively. Writing everything twice, validation, rendering logic, all duplicated, client and server. Reinventing HTML's native elements because we stopped trusting them. It was sort of a hacky solution. This is where Datastar comes in. It solves all of the previously mentioned problems and returns to the way the browser was meant to work. Your application code stays on the server where it belongs. This is what is meant by a Hypermedia first approach. No JSON APIs, no shipping entire applications to the browser. Instead, the server sends HTML fragments through a specific message protocol. But it's just HTTP. Datastar morphs these fragments into the page, updating only what changed. It solves the issues that spas wanted to solve, but does it properly. And it doesn't come with all the bloat. We didn't need to reinvent everything the browser already knew how to do. And the web was designed to work this way from the start. We just forgot. Welcome back. I hope that was a fun and enlightening history lesson. We don't want to make all those old smart guys unhappy, right? Good. Let's keep going on with the guide. And now we're going to actually start using Datastar. See you in the next episode.